Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I will show you how you can install fonts faster on your Windows 11 or the Windows 10 PC. So before that, do subscribe if you haven't. Now without further ado, let's get started. We know that when we download any font family, it will be downloaded in zip file. So to install it, first we have to extract that zip file, then we have to install the font one by one, which is very much time consuming. What if I told you that you can install all the fonts in just one click? So for that, all you have to do is go to your settings on Windows 11 or the Windows 10, whichever is installed on your PC. Then click on personalization, and now here click on the fonts. Now drag all the fonts you want to install here into the settings. Now all the fonts will be installed. If any font is already installed, a pop-up window will show up asking if you want to replace the already installed font. You can replace if you want, or you can just click on no. So that's how you install fonts in one go. Hope it was helpful, and if it was, then do like the video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. This is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one.